Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is James. I am an interior designer here in Ireland. So first of all, I just want to say that in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get your life kind of organized. And excuse the 50 Shades of Grey moment going on here. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah. So I'm gonna be showing you how to get your life in order, because this week has been really crazy, and I've just been trying to get organized and just get mentally straight, because after Christmas and then New Year's and then going to Rome and all that happening, it's been a lot this month. So I'm just trying to get back into a routine and get organized. So I just thought, you know what, we can do it together. So I've kind of done my tips and tricks and stuff, how I get organized, because I'm one of them people that I like to have a routine. I like to know what I'm going to be doing every day. And also, before I start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm really trying to get to 10,000 subscribers this year. I know it's crazy, but you know what, it's 2018, anything can happen. So I'm putting it out to the universe, all positively and hopefully and knowingly. So step one, you're going to start off it all starts in the morning time. So as soon as you get out of bed, that's when your day starts. That's when your organization needs to start. And it always helps if you have a routine, because then you know exactly what you have to do every morning. And there's nothing worse than getting up in the morning and being like, wait a second, what am I doing? Because at that time in the morning your brain is just not ready to function. So when I get up in the morning, I just get up, brush my teeth, go up and have a shower, and then I come down and I drink a litre of water then, because I love showering in the morning, because it gets it wakes me up and it makes me feel refreshed and everything. So yeah, I do that, and then I wash my face, and then I like to drink a litre of water every morning, because it's really good for your metabolism, and also better to have something pure and clean going into you first thing in the morning, instead of cereal or something. So yeah, so I have water. It just gets your mind, it clears your mind as well. And then after that, I normally have then you can have your coffee or your tea or your smoothie, whatever you want to have. I personally have coffee every morning, because I need something to look forward to to get out of bed in the morning. So I have coffee. Sometimes I have tea, but coffee is the one, it gets me up. And then and make your bed first thing in the morning as well. I always make my bed first thing, because it's just such a good habit to get into, because how do you expect to accomplish amazing things when you can't even make your bed in the morning? Right, how? Yeah, I thought so. So yeah, make your bed in the morning. It's just even if you have a terrible day, at least you know that you've made your bed, and you can come home and your room will be clean and your bed will be made, and it's just such a peace of mind. And also, I love to do this in the morning as well, is to look in the mirror and just say, you know what, today's good. Okay, so my camera actually just cut off there. So as I was saying, I like to look in the mirror every morning. Just say a positive message to myself, today's gonna be a good day, or just say something thankful for what I have and stuff like that. You should start your day how you want it to end. So you should start your day in a positive, happy mood, and then your day should end on a positive, happy mood. And I know it's not the case all the time, but you just have to take every day as it comes, and just be thankful for the life that you have, and that you're breathing air, and where you are, and just be thankful and happy. And then I like to do a to-do list. So I do the 3 most important things I want to get done, and then I have a list of other stuff that I'd like to get done as well. And then at least if I get the 3 most important things done, I know it's a bit of an ease of mind. And I love ticking stuff off. It's yes, I feel accomplished, I've done this, yeah. So yeah, I do that. And then I also love to have a clean space. So you're clean, wherever, if you work in your room, if you work in an office, if you work in the kitchen, just have a clean space, because it's zen. It keeps me zen and and a level head. Because I know if my space is dirty, I'm just so tense and just irritated and not in a good mood. So that's why I like my area to be clean, so I'm happy. And then eat good food, so loads of vegetables, fruits, nuts, stuff that's good for you. So that has vitamins in it, that makes you feel good when you eat it. I'm not saying like just eat salads, I'm saying just like incorporate more whole foods into your lifestyle. So whether that be more veg, more fruit, and more nuts, like just good whole foods. And then drink loads of water, because water is so good for your mental health. Water is like amazing for your mental health, like it does wonders. So just drink loads of water. And then you come to your end of your day and it's time for bed, and that's your day done. Hopefully it was a great day, hopefully it was positive. What I like to do in the evenings is I have a routine for my evenings as well. I like to clean my face, brush my teeth, floss, all that kind of stuff. I do that. When I go to bed, I say prayers. So I bless myself. I thank God for the day I've had, for the life I've been blessed with. I bless my family. I ask them to like watch over people. Ask them to watch over me. I just say thanks, and it just like helps me sleep, because it's like an ease of mind. And also, yeah, just like it's nice to pray and like give thanks. And that is it. That is my tips to keep a positive mindset, to kind of be happy all the time. And I know that's not possible to be happy all the time, but at least if you find your way of staying positive, like I'm a very positive person, and people always say I have a good sense of humor, but that's just because I'm just like a happy person in general. Because you know what, life is amazing. I'm sorry, but life is amazing, and it's an amazing gift that we've been blessed with to have a life. And then when you look at all these countries that like people are starving in, and they don't have roofs over their heads, and they're in wars and they're suffering, it just makes you like really think that like, wow, like that could have been you. Like it's crazy. Like you should just be thankful for the life that God has given you, and just take that with you throughout each day, and don't judge anyone. Treat everyone how you'd want to be treated. It's just, and be happy for people. Don't be like jealous or spiteful, or give out what you want to receive, because if you're nice to people, people will be nice back to you. And if you give out negative energy, you'll attract negative energy. That's what I'm kind of saying. So yeah, be nice. That's what I'm trying to say, be nice. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's something different for my channel, but I'm just trying to like be a bit more diverse in my content. And I just want like to interact with you a bit more, and to kind of connect a bit more. If you want to see more personal videos, I can try to incorporate them in a bit more. It's just that life has been pretty crazy at the minute, that's why I haven't been uploading. I'm just trying to figure stuff out. Like I'm at that stage. Actually no, I'm not going to ramble. That's the end of this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.